maybe I will bring in a slightly different perspective in terms of addressing some of the challenges. Not all can be addressed, sir, but I will lead to some of the areas coming from a virtualization major who's VMware. There are a few areas that we have really been able to help in terms of especially you were talking about the data lying on the desktops and hostile neighbors taking away the data and exposure there being a big security concern. Some of the technologies that are evolving in this area that governments and private sector is adopting today, one of them is on the desktop virtualization side itself. So if you look at those technologies, the ability to not have the data on the desktop at all. So you're talking about securing your data right within your data center, and all users have is plain vanilla access to the data, which is in the lock, stock, and barrel within the data center, which can be secured, which can be firewalled in multiple ways, and there is no way that it can be hacked, given that you can have a greater level of security in a central place. But at the same time, it does not hamper the mobility or the efficiency of the end users, given the fact that the same data can be published on a mobile device for officers on the field in remote areas, whereas again, there is no data that lies on those tablets or devices or any one of those mobile devices that people are using today. So a way of securing the data, a way of ensuring that the data lies right within the data center with access available to everybody on different devices across the country. So that is a small way of solving one of those challenges which are there. But given that there are more challenges right within the data center also, and as we heard from the keynote speak also on the fact that there is an ability to hack right within the data center. So centralization is good. We have e-governance applications, but now we have all the data centrally. They are not lying in different places across different applications. So the centralization brings in its own challenges of, if data is taken from the central place, there is a lot of data that goes away. And that is a risk in itself. So how do we ensure that that data which is lying centrally within the data center is secured to the fullest? There are various ways of securing the data. One of the ways is virtualization. Again, there has brought in significant benefits. I guess when we have too many manual methods of running the IT infrastructure, it leads to a lot of challenges. When you automate the whole data center in the form of how it runs, the operations, and how do you secure the whole thing in an automated fashion where the system takes care of the whole thing, is probably one way of ensuring data security right within the data center. Just to give you a flavor of automation, when you actually use a virtual environment to host the e-governance applications and all the other applications that you have, including surveillance and including all that sensitive data that you carry, the security is fairly mobile. It can respond to threats. So if there is a challenge, the system takes a call as to how it wants to respond to that particular challenge. That is the kind of automation that we are talking about in a virtual infrastructure. So the ability to secure your end user infrastructure, the ability to secure the data center, the ability to automate your entire security process, including compliance, given the fact that there are a lot of compliance parameters that are to be followed in a data center to ensure that the data is secure, including hardening of OS and a lot of other things that are done as routine activity. So this whole thing can be automated using virtualization and cloud, which is one of the so-called buzzwords that we are all talking about today. And the ability that infrastructure has to respond to threats and ability to take corrective action, and the ability to secure the data is one of the key components and outputs of the technology of virtualization, both on the desktop side and on the server side as well.